Look at all these bell peppers on this one plant, and more inside here, so, and more blooms coming out. I am so loving it. Bell peppers are sweet peppers. So this one now got scorched by the sun. So I'm just getting this one right here, right now. Oh, alright, so still can be used. Just going to cut this off and use the rest. You can see it was blushing. I don't know what color it would turn in. These are local sweet peppers or bell peppers. So I'm not sure if they were going to be red, yellow, or orange. I've had all colors from these seeds before. Oh, getting this one too before it gets out of control, like that one right there. Can see right there? Yeah. So I'm just getting both of them. Yeah. Oh, let me show you a purple bell pepper that I have here. So this purple bell pepper, I am not going to get it purple. I'm going to see if it's going to turn red, like one of my subscribers that I gave some seeds. I usually give away seeds to my subscribers. I just don't usually make it public. So quite a few months ago, I gave her some bell pepper seeds, including the purple one. So she had the purple one and she had it until it changed back to green and it changed back to red. And it looks, when she sent me the picture, it looks so pretty. So I want to experiment with this one. Alright, so you can see my currants that I showed you the other day. See another one pulling up inside there. So it's not just 3 anymore. Even if it is small as this one right here. I am super grateful nevertheless. Hello my gardening family, welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. I thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate you all and God bless you all. So this morning I am just doing random things in my garden as quickly as I can. But I couldn't help but stop to get me some mulberries. Now this baby is producing like crazy. I came to grab a few to eat, but then I saw that so many on there. And since the last time I showed you that I did that harvest, I've been harvesting. Anybody that came around, I just let them go ahead and pick and eat. So I'm not able to record all the harvests. I'm just enjoying the mulberry tree and the fruits. So this is the harvest. Remember the callaloo that were at the size of this frame around here? So I took them out. I do away with a few, but I put back a few of them inside here. And I deliberately did this because I am trying to get some shade for my cabbages right here and pak choy. Not too much shade, just a little ease from the sun. I will get a little shadow or a little shade somewhat. It may not be a drastic change, but I'm pretty sure it will help. I don't remember if I show you inside here where I planted some zinnias and cucumber inside here. I planted some seedlings, some tomato seedlings inside here, for to be exact. And I shift things around. As you know that I moved my strawberries to up there, so I move everything that was in front of here. I'm going to put some of these herbs back right here. So I am trying to get up on here, stabilize and looking nice again. So I moved the pink color one, so from here put up here. I'm not sure I'm going to let the pink color stay up here. Like I mentioned before that I'm going to take them out. I probably take them out. But since I put them up here, I'm having second thought. Alright, so I put some scotchy seedlings inside here, four to be exact as well. And this corner right here, I'm going to try and mold it up a bit because I don't know, man. It's so tiny. But I guess because this one right here is producing, they just start to produce. No, this tomato, it split. I touched it yesterday and it fell off. But I said I still going to show you. This looks to me like it's a red pear tomato. So I'm going to try to preserve this breed, right? So what I'm going to do is to get seeds from it and plant them. The plant, it is not doing well at all, as you can see right here. But I saw where there is one right there. I saw another one, Where are you? Oh, it is right here. So I am waiting to see if the plant will recover or give me more or just wait until these two are ripened. I realize that this tomato tree is trying to push out tomatoes only to find yesterday I saw a worm snacking on the biggest one that was there. I was like, really? You come this far to decimate my tomato? Look, let me see. See? I thought I took it off, but I didn't. Alright, so I'm really not doing much this morning at all. Just these little bits. Let me see if this look alright right here. It look alright right there, guys. I'm thinking. I think I'm going to let it stay. I just need to clean it up a bit. Because the tomatoes, not tomatoes, the cucumbers are going to come right there. So I think I'm going to let that stay right there. And let me push it down somewhere. I'm not sure where I'm going to put this as it. Let me rest that right there. So I'll draw this over here. This is my Panadol. It is shining bright like a diamond. Doing so well. Alright, I think I'm going to put the ginger. Oh, I need to take out this callaloo. I didn't remember it at all. I could plant back this stem, Up here, so it looks so lovely at all. Maybe I plant it back. Put this ginger right here. No, I need to move this first. And then put the ginger here. Yeah. How that look? I am going to... Hold on. Hold up. If any lizards on here. Oh, I decided, I didn't tell you where these were, right in front of the chairs right there. I decided to move them because they are so out in the road, and like when I'm passing, lizards are generally on there. So when I'm passing, they tend to want to move close to me. I'm a little silent helper. My son, none of us like lizards, so I decided to move them to facilitate, you know, a peaceful gardening experience. Yeah, because he helps me a lot with a lot of things. And so I want to protect my health and myself, of course. I think he got that from me, you know. So he got that from me and he just run with it. So I can't till say hi. I can't say anything. Alright, so let's start this right here. Let me look. Oh well, it is not picture perfect, but knowing me, if I'm not okay with it, after a while, I'm going to just fix things the way I'm okay with it. Yeah. This is a eucalyptus. So the eucalyptus grows runny. Yeah. So I may have to get something to put in the middle right here and let it run on it, trellis up on it. I probably just let things stay like this for now. I wanted to put the oh, I have my lemongrass over there. Or I'm thinking, you know. I'm thinking. Stacey, what you're thinking? This is what I'm thinking. I'm going to pull out the ginger right here. So yeah. I'm going to let it stay right there. So I'm going to put the fever grass right here. Put the fever grass right there. So guys, I had to make a run at this point, so the recording was not completed. I'll definitely give you an update in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good. Come garden with me now, man. And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.